Good day everyone, my name is Cristine and Galia, BSN2, and today I will be answering the given questions and explaining it to you. Tourism in the Philippines traces its origins during the ancient times when the first set of people chose to migrate through land bridges, followed by the other sets of migrations from the Malayan archipelago in the south and Taiwan in the north. There are different types of accommodation like hotel, apartment, hostels, guest house, villas, holiday homes, and resorts. This accommodation has different budget. You can choose the accommodation according to choice and budget. So here are some of the most common accommodations. First is the hotel. Hotels are the most common types of the accommodation and easily accessible. Hotels are available in varieties of options from non-star to 5-star. The rates of the hotels per day and per night depends on the facilities and amenities offered by the hotels. The majority of the travelers prefer hotel accommodation. Number 2 is apartments. This is one of the different types of accommodation having large areas and provides all the amenities like hotel. In addition to that, it provides great location. One of the important facilities is the kitchen where you can cook the food as per your choice. Number 3, hostels are the cheapest and most accessible accommodation. Hostels offer share room to sleep in different beds in the same room. Guests will have to share a room, bathroom, and toilet. Number 4 is bed and breakfast. Bed and breakfast or B&B are a small lodging establishment that provides overnight private room to the guests and breakfast in the morning. Actually, there are more types of it, but I will just focus on the most popular types of accommodation. Well, there are many economic impacts of tourism, and it is important that we understand what they are and how we can maximize the positive economic impacts of tourism and minimize the negative impacts of tourism. Many argue that the tourism industry is the largest industry in the world. While its actual value is difficult to accurately determine, the economic potential of the tourism industry is indisputable. Well, in fact, it is because of the positive economic impacts that most destinations embark on their tourism journey. Positive economic impacts of tourism. So what are the positive economic impacts of tourism? As I explained, most destinations choose to invest in their time and money into tourism because of the positive economic impacts that they hope to achieve. So there are a range of possible positive economic impacts. Contribution to government revenues. Tourism can help to raise money that it then invested elsewhere by the government. There are two main ways that this money is accumulated. Direct contributions are generated by taxes on incomes from tourism employment and tourism businesses, and things such as departure taxes. Taxes differ considerably between destinations. Contribution to local economies. All the money raised, whether through formal or informal means, has the potential to contribute to the local economy. If sustainable tourism is demonstrated, money will be directed to areas that will benefit the local community most. So there may be pro-poor tourism initiatives, tourism which is intended to help the poor, or volunteer tourism projects. There are a lot of ways to maximize the economic in tourism and hospitality industry. As tourism itself is hospitality industry, the customer satisfaction must be on top priority. When the guests are satisfied with the tourism products, services, and the places they want to visit, surely they will ready to pay the price even higher. However, more than anything, we should focus on the product making, better destinations making. Sustainable and attractive tourism products should be rendered so that the tourism and hospitality industry gain the maximum productivity as well as the economic benefits. The tourism spots should be attractive. The government and tourism bodies should prepare for the best plan and policies. By doing this, all activities, the hospitality industry will get the economic prosperity. In this way, The applicable plan policies and the law that is favorable to the tourists must be taken care so that the more numbers of tourists will be visited to that spot. More number employment opportunity available and the GDP of the country will be getting better. So I guess that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Cristine Galia, BSTM2.